Here we are at the penultimate step. We're going to put this metallic finished surround around the switches. For that, there's a single piece of Velcro hook and loop tape in the kit. It's going to be easier to cut if you separate it. It might be a good idea to have a rule handy, or you can just judge from the length of these projections from the top of the finger plate. We want to cut, or just folding in half is probably as good as anything. So we want to cut each piece of Velcro hook and loop in half, lengthwise. But we need to end up with 4 pieces of each. So we're also going to divide them lengthways in half to make a narrow half inch, 12.5 mil, yeah, roughly half inch strip. The next step is easier for putting the hook and loop tape back together. You want to end up with 4 assembled pieces. These are then placed on the back of the metallic switch surround, vertically along each of those upward projections. Just take the time and the care to make sure you're not going over the edges and making the Velcro visible. With all of those firmly pressed into place, remove the protective backing from the other side. Pick up this whole assembly and come in without letting any of the tape touch the black acrylic. Have it meet the thick clear acrylic. Line it up left to right. The outside edges should be an exact fit against the clear acrylic, and then just have it drop into place. A bit of pressure supporting you underneath the black acrylic so you don't snap it off. And that secures it in place. So right now we're very close to the end. One final step to put the blue lid on.